So let us take a problem based on the Thevenin's theorem. This is the voltage, and this is a circuit, bridge circuit. This is a bridge circuit. So if you want to give the tough question, they will give like this. So the value is plus minus 27 volts, 6, 12, 3, and 4, and this is 6 volt. This is the question, and by using Thevenin's theorem, find current through RL. This is RL. Find current through RL by using Thevenin's theorem. This is the question. So we should find the current through the 6 ohm resistor. So that we should. So for the first point is we should open the 6 ohm resistor like this. 6 ohm resistor. We should find in this direction VThevenin's, and by looking into this one we should find RThevenin's. This is the our base. So let us find VThevenin's. Let us find VThevenin's first initially. If you want to find the VThevenin's, the voltage source will be like this. This is 27 volts. Sorry, 72 volts. This is not 27. This is 72 volts. And I'm drawing in the bigger manner so that you can see it easily. I'm writing the circuit as it is. Just I should open this resistor only, because this is RL, which is equal to 6 ohm resistor. Between these two, I should find the VThevenin's. Between these two, I should find VThevenin's. So already told you a concept. This is the value of 6 ohm resistor. This is 12.
Sir,
This is 3, and this is 4. So we should find the VThevenin's at these positions. This is A and this is B, or this is positive or negative. There are, so A to B path is, this is the A to B path, isn't it? This is A to B path in this direction, A to B path. One path is available, and also this is the another path. This is another path from A to B. And which means circuit will be like this. So A and this is B. To move from A to B, this is one path. This is another path, second one. So you can proceed in any one manner. So if you proceed in both manner, that will be waste of time, because if you proceed in one manner, if you get VThevenin as 10 volts in the first manner, in the second manner also VThevenin will be 10 volts only. Let us check. Let us check how it will be, and let me clean this one. So we should find voltage VThevenin from A to B, nothing but the voltage across the 6 ohm resistor, and the voltage across the 12 ohm is nothing but a VThevenin's. Nothing but if you want to find the voltage across the 6 ohm, we should know current through 6 ohm. We should know current through 6 ohms and 12 ohm. 6 ohms and 12 ohm. So if you want to find the voltage across the 6 ohms, voltage across the 12 ohms, definitely we need to know the current through these two. So if you want to if you want to find the current through these two, we should find the total current. Then only we can find current through this branch and this branch. So nothing but these 6 and 3 ohms, 12 and 4 ohms are 6 and 3 combination is parallel with the 12 and 4. So equivalent circuit. So if you want to find the total current, which is equal to 72 by R equivalent. R equivalent is equal to 6 plus 3 in parallel with 12 plus 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. In parallel with 12 plus 4 is nothing but a 16. Nothing but 9 into 16 by 9 plus 16, which is 25, which is equal to um, 90, nothing but 156 by 25. So this is R equivalent. So this is R equivalent. Then we can find total current as 72 by 156 by 25. So this becomes lengthy process. So I want to give a short method, that is current through this branch. I think about 3 and 4. So this branch is connected across the 70 volts. So that nothing but 72 volts. Nothing but this is like this. Like this, these two are is connected. Nothing but 6 and 3, 12 and 4. So voltage across the 6 and 4 is 6 and 3 is 12, 72. So that current through this is I am taking as I1. So I1 as V by R 6 plus 3. Nothing but 72 by 9. 72 by 9. So in ninth table 72 is 7 8. Nothing but 8 amps flows in this branch. And next this is I am taking as I2. So current through this branch is I2 I am taking. I2 is equal to V is nothing but 72, because voltage across the 12 ohm and 4 ohm is 72 by total voltage. The total resistance is nothing but 4 plus 2, nothing but 16. 16 nothing but 16 5s are 80. Sorry, nothing but 4 1 4 4s are nothing but 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are nothing but 9 by 2, nothing but 4.5 amps. So that in this branch current is 4.5 amps, which is equal to 9 by 2 amps. Is equal to 9. So now finally we found the current through in this branch. Take different one. In this branch is I1, that is 8 amps, and in this branch is 9 by 2 amps. Now let us find the VThevenin. Remember this is 8 amps and this is 9 by 2 amps. Resistors are 6 3 and 12 4. So VThevenin we are finding, and this is 72 volts, and this is one point, and this is another point. Let me take bigger ones so that we can understand better. This is 6, this is 3, this is 12, this is 4, this is 72 volts. So and the current through this branch is 8 amps, and current through this branch is 9 by 2 amps. So this is A and this is B. I think what this is VThevenin. I think what A to B path. So now let us find the in this path, because this is green color. In this path, the 6 ohms is there, and 12 ohms is there. I think but VThevenin is equal to. Look at this one here. Current will be in this direction. Look at this one. Current will be in this direction, but our path will be opposite to that direction. So that one we should take as negative. That one we should take as negative. So that now VThevenin is equal to negative times of 6 into voltage. Nothing but voltage across the 6 ohms is equal to IR. I is nothing but 8. I is nothing but 8. This is R is nothing but 6. So now look at this path. This path direction and current direction to the 12 ohms direction is same in this direction only. So that we should take it as positive, and current through that one is 9 by 2, and the resistor is 12. 9 ones, 2 ones are 2 6. So 6 8s are 48 minus 48 plus 9 6 are 54. So that voltage is difference between these two is 6 volts. So VThevenin is 6 volts. So let us find the current is in nothing but VThevenin is in this direction. So there are two paths are available. Let us find the VThevenin in this direction. So look at this one. This is the path direction, and this is the current flow direction. Look at this one. So VThevenin is equal to in the second path. So current direction is in this direction. Resist nothing but current flow direction in this direction. But our assumed direction is in this direction. So both are same. So that we should take place. So current in this branch is nothing but how much? 8. 8 into 3. So V is equal to IR. I is nothing but 8. R is 3. 8 into 3. Now look at this one. This is opposite. Our assumed direction is in this direction. Current direction is in this direction. So that we should take negative. So resistor current is nothing but 9 by 2. R is nothing but 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 8 threes are 24. 9 twos are 18. Difference is 6 volts. So these two are same. Nothing but whatever the path which you take from A to B. So then definitely the answer will be same. So look at this one in this direction. In this direction we got 6 volts. In this direction from A to B. Think about the A to B, there are two paths, one path and two paths. In the two paths, uh, the voltage will be same. So we can proceed with in any manner. So finally the VThevenin is finally we got the VThevenin as 6 volts in both the direction. Let's find the RThevenin for the same circuit. So this is the actual circuit, 72 volts, and this is the bridge. This is 6 and this is 3, this is 12 and this is 4, and this is nothing but we should find RThevenin between these two. While finding the RThevenin, whatever the voltage sources, that should be short circuited. Whatever the current sources are, that will be open circuited. So now let's make it. So this voltage source is short circuited. Now the bridge will remain same. And this is one terminal and another terminal. You should find RThevenin here. This is 6, 3, 12, 4. So this circuit can be written as like this. So external short circuit I inserted inside, and these terminals I am taken at outside AB. So now this is short circuit, nothing but this current is dividing like this. So that this is 6 and 3 in parallel, and 12 and 4 are parallel, and these two combinations in series. Nothing but 6 and 3 parallel plus this combination in series with the 4 and 12 combination. So which is equal to 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, 9 plus 12, 12 multiplied with 4 over 12 plus 4, nothing but 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Total is 5 ohms. So finally RThevenin is nothing but 5 ohms. VThevenin is 6 volts. Now we should find that this is the load resistor RL is equal to 6 ohms. So this is VThevenin, this is RThevenin. This total circuit I represented in terms of RThevenin, which is equal to 5 ohms. So VThevenin is 6 volts. Between these two, This is A and B. Between A and B, what is 6 ohm resistor is there. So that current through 6 ohms is equal to voltage is 6. Nothing but total resistance is nothing but 5 plus 6, which is equal to 6 by 5 plus 6, 11. This is nothing but a current through the load 6 ohm resistor.